Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss the method of solving a quadratic equation by completing the square. This is a quadratic equation. In this method, first we will divide each term of the quadratic equation on both sides by the coefficient of x square if it is other than 1. Here the coefficient is 1, so we will not divide both sides by this. Now we will eliminate, or we will shift this 40 to the right side. So how? By adding 40 on both sides. So x square plus 6x minus 40 plus 40 equals to 0 plus 40. These two cancel. Here remains x square plus 6x equals to 40. The next step is that we will divide both sides we will add on both sides. What we will add? The coefficient of x is divided by 2 and taking its square. This will be, we will add. So look here, add 6 by 2 whole square, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, which is equal to 3 square on both sides. So x square plus 6x plus 3 square equals to 40 plus 3 square. So we can write this x whole square plus 2 times x into 3 plus 3 square, which is equal to 40 plus 3 square, we get 9. We can write this as x plus 3 whole square, which equals to 49. Now we will take the third step is that we will take square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. So we get x plus 3 whole square under the root equals to plus minus 49. We write here plus minus y because it is a quadratic equation and there will be two solutions. So for this purpose we put here plus minus. These two cancel with each other. We get here x plus 3 equals to plus minus, taking the square root of 49 we get 7. Now we can write it x plus 3 equals to plus 7 or x plus 3 equals to minus 7. So now subtract 3 from both sides. X plus 3 minus 3 equal to 7 minus 3. Here also subtract 3 from both sides. X plus 3 minus 3 equals to minus 7 minus 3. These two cancel each other. Here we get 4, and similarly here we get minus 10. The solution set of the given equation is minus 10, 4. Now come to the second part of this question. I have done it for you. I am just going it to explain. Look at this question. Here the coefficient of x square is 1, so we will not divide both sides by 1. And the next step is that subtract 11 from both sides. So by subtracting 11 we get this. Now divide both sides by the coefficient of x and taking its square. So 2 1s are, 2 5s are, minus 5 square, we get 5 square on both sides. So this minus 5 square is added here on both sides. Now I can write it x whole square minus 2 into x into 5. 2 5s are minus 10x, and this 5 square is added to this side and this 5 square is added to this side. So I can write it like this: minus 11 plus 25, taking the square of 25 we get 25. So now I can write this as x minus 5 whole square, which is equal to 25 minus 11, we get 14. Taking square root on both sides, so these two cancel with each other. X minus 5 equals to plus minus 14 under root. So add 5 on both sides, so we get these two cancel each other. We get this. Now first write the 5 and then this. Now we can take it as x plus under root 14 and x equals to 5 minus under root 14. So these two are the roots of this. Part 3, try it by yourself. Now come to part 4. This is the given question. Now look here, the coefficient of x square is 5, which is not 1. So first we will divide each terms of both sides by 5. So here the 5 cancel. Now here look, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, and similarly 5 ones are and 168s are. So here we get x square minus 2x minus 168 equals to 0. The next step is this, that add 168 on both sides. So these two cancel each other and we get here x square minus 2x equal to 168. Now add divide this 2 by 2 and take it square. So we get 2 ones are 2 minus 1 whole square, we get 1 square on both sides. So here we get x square minus 2x plus 1 whole square and plus 1 whole square here. So we can write it that x whole square 2 into x into 1 plus 1 whole square equal to 168 plus 1. Now we can write this in the complete square form. In 168 plus 1 we get 169. Taking square root on both sides, these two cancel with each other, and here the square root of 169 is 13. Now we can write it plus 13 and minus 13. Now add 1 on both sides, these two cancel each other, and here these two cancel each other. Here we get 14 and here 12 minus 12. So 14 and minus 12 is the solution set of this part. Now come to the next part. Here look, 9 is the coefficient of x square. So we will first divide each term of the given equation on both sides by 9. These two cancel with each other. Now look here, 2 twos are, 3 twos are, and 3 threes are, and here we get 5. 9 nines are 81, and here we get 0. 0 divided by 9 we get 0. Now look here, we add what? Subtract 5 by 81 on both sides. So these two cancel each other. We get here x square minus 2 by 3x equals to minus 5 by 81. Now add 2 divided by 2 into 3 whole square on both sides. So here 2 cancel, we get 1 by 3 whole square. So 1 by 3 is added here and here. Now we can write it x whole square 2 into x into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 square equals to minus 5 by 81, plus this 1 by 3 can be written as 1 by 9. Now we can write this into the square form and take the LCM of these two, which is 81. So 81 ones are 81, so we write minus 5 here, and 9 nines are 81, so this 9 into 1 9. Now 9 minus 5 we get 4 by 81, and here we get this. Take square root on both sides, these two cancel each other, and 4 by 81 we can write it 2 by 9. Now take this x minus 1 by 3 equals to plus 2 by 9 and minus 2 by 9. Now add 1 by 3 on both sides here, so these two cancel each other. We get x equals to, take the LCM of this, which is 9. So 9 ones are, so 1 twos are 2, and 3 threes are 9, so 3 ones are 3. 2 plus 3 we get 5 by 9. Here these two cancel each other, and minus 2 by 9 plus 1 by 3, take the LCM, which is 9. So here minus 2, 3 threes are 9, so 3 ones are 3. Here we get 1 by 9. 5 by 9 and 1 by 9 are the roots of the given equation. The solution set is this. Now the next part is in this form. First of all, we will change it into the general form of the quadratic equation, and then you should try it by this method. Please write this whole work in your notebook. Take a fresh one notebook and make your notes, and also send the questions which I give you for the practice. Send the solution of these questions, and also subscribe this YouTube channel that you may get on daily basis the work which we will do, and also press the bell icon. Best of luck.